Hey, this is Tim. 2012 Jetta. Got a code. I got to use my old scanner. I got a new one coming. The other one went out on me. So this is my older one. So bear with me if you can't read it or see it. I'm trying. It's got the PO321 distributor speed input. So we all know that's the crank sensor. So this is 2.5, so I'll be doing the crank sensor on it here in just a minute. I'll show you how the car runs better. The complaint is dying sometimes and won't restart, and after so often waiting, and then it restarts. Okay, you're gonna go under the car and you're gonna go under after you take your little shield off here, which is just a couple of Torx bits. All right, it's right in here is the crank sensor. It's got two, well, they're Allens, but I'm using a Torx. It doesn't matter. See if I can get you a little bit better in here. And I'm going to take it off right here. See if I can get my thing here. All right. Alright, and then you'll see the other screw right there. You're going to pull it off. I'll go get my magnet, pull these out, and you're going to do that other one right there. Then you got a little push on right here. I'll show you. You just take your little tool here. Hard to do this with this freaking light right there. But anyway, you'll take your tool, undo it right there. You want to do one right here, and then you're gonna have to plug in right here. So we get you a light here. Plug it right there. We'll slide that out, and then we'll just, of course, unplug it real quick. And I'll show you what that looks like. I suggest you keep a magnet handy. Be a lot easier for you. All right, one more to go. Keep your magnet handy. Put your magnet right next to it. You don't want it dropping down this transmission when you can't find it. There we go. Hit the bolt in the line here. Like I said, it goes around here. We'll unplug it. We'll unplug it right here. I have to use my little screwdriver. Give me just a second. Okay, basically what you're gonna just do is just push up with your screwdriver right here. Push that up. All right, I'm gonna go up underneath here, do the new one. It is a 19-0346. A little like this. What's with your plug in? So we'll be going right back up here, a little wall right here, and your transmission right in there. So let me get started here. All right, let's tighten this thing up here. All right, let's see how it does. Hear right out, no more check engine light. All right, that one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.